Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now we are given what? Into 2 divided by 3 all to the power of x is equal plus what? Into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of x equals to 4. We are asked to look for the value of x. Now you can see that here we are having 3 over 2 and here we are having 2 over 3. What are we going to do? You know that we are not wrong. We are not wrong in any way. By obeying some properties of indices, okay, we can do something very interesting here. Now you having here 2 over 3 and you having here 3 over 2. Do you know that I can also write this as what? Into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of minus 1. Okay? Because 3 divided by 2 all to the power of minus 1 is the same as 2 divided by 3. Okay? Because if I simplify this, I'm going to have 2 over 3. Then all to the power of what? The exponential was what? X. You see? Then plus into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of x equals to what? 4. Okay? This is interesting, right? Amazing. Now, remember one of the properties of indices, the index inside the parenthesis can multiply the index outside the parenthesis. So this can multiply by this. So minus 1 times x will give us minus x. So what I have, this is what? Into, okay? This is what? Into what? Into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of what? Minus x, okay? Then plus into 3 divided by 2 to the power of what? S equals to what? 4. Wow. You know that I can also do something very interesting here. Look at what I'm going to do. I can write this as what? Into 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 all to the power of what? X all to the power of what? Minus 1. Because x times minus 1 is the same as minus x. Then plus what? Into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of x equals to what? 4. Okay? Now, look at what I'm going to do. Consider this and this are common. I say let into 3 divided by 2 to the power of s equals to what? P, because it's common. So I want to add this is what? Into here. I want to add this is p to the power what? Minus 1, because all this is now what? P. So you're having the power here as minus 1 plus what? P equals to what? 4. Now for here, let's solve for p. Remember that p to the power minus 1 is the same as what? 1 divided by p, okay, plus what? P equals to what? 4. Can you see how simple and interesting? It's very simple and interesting, right? Now, remember that our denominator here is 1. Let's take our LCM. Our LCM is P, okay? P into P, how many times? 1 time. 1 times 1 will give us 1. P divided by 1 is P. P times P gives us P square, right? P square. All this equals to what? 4. Don't forget the denominator here is 1. If you cross multiply, or let's multiply through by P, we want to add this is 1 plus what? P square equals to what? 4P. Now, let's subtract 4p from both sides so that I can put this in the normal form of quadratic what? Equation, right? So what this is p square, okay, minus 4p plus 1 equals to what? 0. Now, this is a quadratic what? Equation. Let's solve for the value of p. Okay, remember we are not asked to solve for p. We are asked what is the value of x. Why are we solving for p? We are solving for p so that this problem can be easily what? Solvable. Now, from this, our a is equals to what? 1. And our b is equals to minus 4. Our c is equals to what? 1. That means p is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of what? B square minus 4ac, okay? Divided by what? 2a. Now our p will be equals to minus b. So minus times minus will give us plus. We're having here as 4 plus minus the square root of what? Into minus 4 square minus 4 into a is what? A is 1. Then c is what? C is 1. Okay? Divided by what? 2 multiplied by what? 1. Okay, so now this is p equals to 4, okay, plus minus the square root of what? Now this will give us 16 because minus 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Minus 4 times this will give us minus 4 times 1, all this will become minus 4, okay, divided by what? 2. Now let's see 16 minus 4. Let's see 16 minus 4, okay. Now 6 minus 4 give us what? 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 1 minus this will give us, so this will be 12. So now this is p equals to 4 plus minus what? 12 divided by what? 2. Now, can do something very interesting here, right? Can do something very interesting here. Know that we are working with sort, right? Remember I saw what we got? 1 perfect square and 1 rational number. So we know that 4 times 3 is 12, right? So we can see that p is equals to 4 plus minus the square root of what? 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12 divided by what? 2. That means P is equals to 4 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 root what? 3 divided by what? 2. Okay? That means P is equals to 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by what? 2, or P is equals to 4 minus 2 root what? 3 divided by what? 2. Now remember, we are not asked to solve for what? We are not asked to solve for P. We are asked that what is the value of what? X. Let me remove this from here. I want you to understand that we say let, okay here. Now let's solve for our value of X. Okay? Alright. From here, if we simplify this for, don't add also what? 2 plus what? Plus root 3. Because, and this 2 will cancel out this, we are left with this. Or P is equals to, now this will give us 2 minus root 3, right? Now remember, recall that from here that into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of S is equals to P. Now from here we're going to add this is into 3 divided by 2 all to the power of S equals to 2 plus 1 root 3. Now what are we going to do here? Because we're looking for X. There's nothing we can do. Okay, so let's take log of both sides. And I have S. So that means log of what? Log of into 3 divided by 2 to the power of S is equals to log of 2 plus 1 root 3. Now this will go back to multiply the exponent. So we're going to add this is S log 3 divided by 2 is equals to what? Log what? Log 2 plus root 3. Okay. Now let's divide both sides by what? By log 3 divided by 2. So to divide here by what? Log 3 divided by 2, and divide all of this by log 3 divided by 2. Now this will cancel out this, right? So we now see that our S will be equals to, what? Our S will be equals to log root 3 plus 2 divided by what? Log into 3 divided by what? 2. This is one of the value of X. And when S is equals to 2 minus root 3, you can also do it. Okay? You can also substitute it and still solve for X. But this is the value of, if you simplify this further, you will have the value of what? S. Okay, so S is equals to what? Log root 3 plus 2 divided by what? Log 3 divided by 2. And this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do it to like, comment, and also share it to loved ones or others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so when another exciting video you notify. So thank you so much and God bless you. Bye bye.